Hello student. Our today's topic is work done on a dipole in uniform magnetic field. In the last class, we derive a formula for the torque experienced by a dipole placed in a uniform electric field. Next application of that electric dipole is potential energy or work done of an electric dipole in uniform electric field. Here student, I am forming for you uniform electric field in which initially a dipole AB is placed making an angle theta with the electric field. This is dipole and the angle between the dipole moment and electric field is theta. Now when we turn the dipole in the magnetic field with a very small displacement angle d theta, then we observe it trying to align in the direction of electric field to get a stable equilibrium. For this we derive the value of that work done on the dipole to align it in the direction of magnetic field, and then after we assume that work done on the dipole is stored in the dipole as potential energy for that location and for the different angles. Then we calculate the special cases or discussing about the special cases and the value of the potential energy of dipole. Now consider a dipole consider an electric dipole AB of dipole moment vector P is kept in a uniform electric field having magnitude vector E. We know that torque experienced by the dipole torque experienced by the dipole in uniform electric field is tau is equal to PE sin theta. Now let the dipole is let the dipole is turned away by d theta. Therefore Therefore, work done on dipole against torque is given by the work done initially is very small, so it can be given by dw is equal to torque d theta, or we can write or put the value of torque here. We get PE sin theta d theta. This is your equation second. Now student, we calculate the work done on dipole from the value of angle theta 1 to theta 2. Total work done on dipole from theta 1 to theta 2. Copy this. So student, total work done from theta 1 to theta 2 dw. On calculating it, theta 1 to theta 2 PE sin theta d theta. Now student, P is dipole moment of the electric dipole, which is constant for a pair of charges or molecules. Electric field is the constant at every place, is uniform. So these two quantities are taken out from the integration sign as constant. So we get PE integration theta 1 to theta 2 sin theta d theta, and we have the integration of sin theta. Integration of sin theta d theta is minus cos theta. Therefore, by putting the value of integration sin theta d theta, we get PE minus cos theta theta 1 to theta 2. On solving it, this minus taken out common, we get minus PE cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This is total work done to align the dipole in the electric field. PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. For this is your equation A. Now for theta 1 is equal to 90 degree and theta 2 is equal to theta, we get the work done is minus PE cos theta. This is the work done to align the dipole along the direction of electric field in a uniform magnetic field. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy of the dipole in the electric field. So student, copy this, then we go for the special case of the potential energy or work done in uniform magnetic field. Copy this first. And we can write this last relation as potential energy of a dipole for alignment to electric field is minus PE cos theta. Because work done is scalar quantity, so we can write this also. W is equal to minus vector P dot vector E in the form of scalar product. Okay student, we are going to discussing about the special case. Okay student, here I will write the definition or the characteristic definition of potential energy for electric dipole in uniform electric field. That is, potential energy of a dipole in a particular orientation in a uniform electric field is defined as the amount of work done in turning it from its zero energy position, theta is equal to 90 degree, which is be taken as for theta 1, to its present position, that is we used here theta 2 is equal to theta. Now special cases. We have three cases for this. First one is when electric field parallel to dipole, that is theta is equal to 0 degree, and we say that electric field and the dipole in the same direction, parallel to each other. Okay student, for this we have cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Therefore by the formula, potential energy is equal to minus PE. And in this case, okay, first we go for the all three cases. Next, second is when E parallel to P for theta is equal to 180 degree, while electric field and dipole is in opposite directions. So we have value of cos 180 degree is equal to -1. Therefore we have the potential energy is minus Pe into -1. So we get the result is Pe. And the next case is third one, that is when electric field and dipole is perpendicular for theta is equal to 90 degree, we get the value of potential energy is Pe cos 90, that is 0. Okay student, copy this. Here you will observe three conditions are there. One is the value of the potential energy minus Pe. For the second case the value of the potential energy is plus Pe, and for the third case is value of potential energy is 0. So we find here the potential energy of the dipole in uniform magnetic field for the orientation theta is equal to 0 degree is minimum. This is minimum energy. Energy level. Okay student, and here we observe the maximum energy level. Maximum energy. Okay student, so we all know the system is in equilibrium at where it has the minimum energy. So we said for orientation theta is equal to 0 degree, the dipole is at stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. Okay student, and for this case is unstable equilibrium. Okay, copy all these notes about the potential energy of electric dipole when it is placed in uniform electric field. Okay student, we have a problem, conceptual problem. We are discussing in the first lecture about the transfer of charges, and we are giving you some question based on the topic transferring of charge and Coulomb's law. Now we have the problem when a person having rubber shoes suddenly slips on a woolen carpet, a spark is sometimes seen. Explain it. So student, it is basically a conceptual problem based on the transferring of charge from one body to the another body. Just we assumed when we are moving, we are rubbing the floor. जब हम चल रहे होते हैं तो हम अपने फिट के थ्रू नीचे की सरफेस को रब करते हैं. एट द टाइम ऑफ रबिंग द सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर ट्रांसफरिंग फ्रॉम द शूज or the slipper which we wear that time with the surface. So due to the transfer of charges from one body to another body, we can able to walk on the surface. So same reason is here. When rubber shoe and the woolen carpet rubbed it together, the charges of electron gets transfer, due to which sometimes sparks is seen. होता क्या है कि जब ट्रांसफर हो रहा होता है चार्ज का, तो किसी भी फॉर्म में वो अपनी एनर्जी को दिखा सकता है. वो चार्ज हो सकता है, वो डिस्चार्ज हो सकता है. बेसिकली होता क्या है, एट द टाइम ऑफ डिस्चार्जिंग ऑफ वन बॉडी टू द अनदर बॉडी, सो मेनी टाइम्स spark can be seen in the form of light energy. You student, you also experience this. If you are wearing a nylon t-shirt, and when you are removing it from your body in the dark room, then you observe your body is shining. This shining is due to the nylon t-shirt rubbed your body, then the electrons get transferred from your body to the nylon. So at the time you will find a sound of spark and you are shining. Similarly here, answer is due to transferring of electric charge, due to transferring of electric charge in walking on woolen carpet. And spark sheen. This is basically the process of discharging. So write the problem and the answer also. So student, we are completing to the potential energy of electric dipole in uniform electric field. In the next lecture we go through with the third application of electric dipole, electric field due to the dipole, and we are doing all the three cases. One, electric field due to dipole at axial point, at equatorial point, and we are drawing or deriving a formula for the general case. Okay student, thank you.